In this video, we're going to see a Google Fi Wireless review. Google Fi Wireless is a mobile virtual network operator service offered by Google. It runs on multiple networks, including T-Mobile and US Cellular, allowing for flexible and widespread coverage across the US. Google Fi uses a combination of networks to provide a strong coverage, particularly in urban and suburban areas. It automatically switches between networks to ensure the best signal. And it also connects to secure Wi-Fi hotspots to help save data. However, in rural areas, coverage can be less reliable compared to major carriers. It has a flexible plan of $20 a month, unlimited plan for $65 a month, and simply unlimited starting from $50 a month with a more affordable unlimited plan with fewer extras. It is flexible considering pricing, excellent for international roaming, no contracts, and easy to use for managing service. So, Google Fi Wireless is a great option to tech-savvy users, frequent travelers, or those who want flexible mobile data without contracts. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.